to the 5-Minute German Grammar Pearl by Lingaman. This lesson will help those of us who need to understand the rules behind what we're doing. We'd suggest you first watch the video to concentrate on the information and then watch it a second time to take notes. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the verb sein, to be in German. We're only going to focus on the singular forms, meaning on single persons. Let's take a quick look. First off, who are those single persons we're talking about? Ich, I, du, you, sie, she, he, es, it. The reason we're listing she before he is because in German grammar, the masculine and neuter forms behave very similarly, but also because girls rock. Now let's see them again. Ich, du, sie, es. One more time. Ich, du, sie, es. Great. Now, the verb we will look at today is sein, meaning to be, as in I am, you are, and so on. Ich bin. Du bist. Sie ist. Ist. Es ist. Again. Ich bin, du bist, sie ist, ist, es ist. The same way we use she, he, or it, we could also use a name like Carla or Tom. Tom ist, ist. Carla ist, sie ist. Done. Great. You can now try and practice these forms over the next few days until they come so naturally you don't have to think about it anymore. Now you can watch this video again and take some notes. For practice exercises, just head over to lingamam.com. There you can find plenty of additional material as well as all of the videos and audios.